Hello there, my name is Mamazan Yasir Jamil and welcome to my YouTube introduction video. In this video we'll be discussing about my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So in this channel we will be talking about AutoCAD, ethical hacking, logo designing, artificial intelligence art, 3D Max, general tech info, web designing and many more. So let's get started. First of all, I will help you create floor plans, mechanical drawings, and more with AutoCAD. I'm here to share my expertise knowledge, helping you master this powerful software. So, whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, stay tuned for practical tips and in depth tutorials. Next is ethical hacking. So, we delve into the exciting world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. We will be using powerful tools like Parrot OS, Kali Linux, and many more. I'll be your guide as we will be also exploring website penetration testing and many more. Next is logo designing. So I will be your mentor as we dive into the world of design principles, color psychology, and typography. Together we'll unlock the secrets of successful logo design and explore various techniques using popular design tools. Last but not least is artificial intelligence art. So join me as we'll delve into the various AI powered art techniques, from style transfer to generative adversarial networks, also known as GANs. Together we'll demystify the algorithms and discover how AI can breathe life into digital canvases. So stay tuned for memorizing AI art experience, behind the scene insights, and collaborations. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.